Hey Meatloaf lovers, today we are making something truly special, pepper meatloaf with creamy ranch drizzle. This dish is full of flavor, juicy, tender meatloaf packed with chili peppers and herbs, then baked to perfection. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, pure comfort food magic. First, let's start with the bacon. Place the strips in a hot pan and fry them over medium heat until they turn golden and crispy. Once the bacon is perfectly crisp, remove it from the pan and let it cool for a bit. Then crumble into small pieces. Now, in a large mixing bowl, add in the minced pork, minced beef, breadcrumbs, egg, milk, cheddar cheese, diced chili peppers, and that crumbled crispy bacon. Next, season it up with smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and a good amount of black pepper. Now mix everything until it's well combined. Next, take your loaf tin and line it with baking paper. Transfer the meat mixture into the tin. Use your hands or a spatula to press it down firmly, making sure it's evenly packed all the way to the corners. You want it nice and compact, so it holds its shape while baking. Place the loaf tin into the oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes, or until the meatloaf is cooked through and golden on top. While we're waiting for the meatloaf to cook, let's make our creamy ranch dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the sour cream, garlic powder, dried parsley, onion powder, fresh dill, milk, mayonnaise, and black pepper. If the mixture feels a bit thick, don't worry, just adjust the consistency with a little more milk if needed. Whisk until everything is smooth and well combined, creamy, herby, and full of flavor. Once the meatloaf is cooked, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing. This helps the juicy settle, so every slice stays tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Drizzle the creamy ranch dressing generously over the top of the meatloaf, or, if you prefer, serve it on the side, so everyone can add as much as they like. Now it's time to slice the meatloaf. Plate it up, add your creamy ranch drizzle if you haven't already, and it's ready to serve. Juicy, flavoursome, and topped with that irresistible creamy ranch, this dish is pure comfort on a plate. Save and follow for more recipes.